Hey folks, I'm Pete and this is Pete's Eats Cooking Videos. Today I have a real treat for you. We're going to make Chinese fried noodles. These are delicious. You know, every time I make Chinese food or Thai food at home, I always make a bunch of these noodles and everyone loves them. They're so easy to make, it's unbelievable. You're going to see how, so let's begin. So here's what you're going to need to make the noodles. You need the Steamed Chow Mein noodles. You can get them in the Asian food stores, or most of the large supermarkets have them now in their cooler section, and most places have them. So you can pick those up. You're going to need for vegetables, carrot, green pepper, and cabbage. And, of course, soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, your chicken broth mix, the powdered mix, and a little bit of sugar, and that's all you do. And I'll show you exactly how to make it. Let's begin. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to shred up the cabbage, and I want to have about the same amount of shredded cabbage as noodles, sort of a 1-to-1 ratio. There's no golden rule or anything, but that's what I kind of aim for. If you want more details on how to shred the cabbage, just watch my coleslaw video. Okay, so I'm going to clean out this pepper, one whole pepper, and then I'm going to cut it into really thin strips, little julienne strips. And the carrot I'm going to clean, and I'm just going to peel that right in with a peeler into the veggie mixture. Okay, I'm going to put the oil in. You want about, I don't know, 5 tablespoons oil, so you do want a bit of oil in there. I have a wok. You could do this in a big pot as well. And I got the heat on sort of a medium high. I'm going to turn it up a bit. And now I want to put the veggies in. So I have my carrots, green peppers, and cabbage. They've all been shredded up kind of. So I'm going to put them in the mix here. That's good. You can see there's quite a bit of cabbage, and you might be concerned thinking, boy, this is just going to be like very cabbagey. But it's not at all. When you actually finish the product, you won't even know there's cabbage in it. It all kind of just melds in. It's really kind of weird. It tastes delicious, trust me. And I need to reconstitute the noodles. This only takes a minute, so the timing is a bit important. I want to make sure to soften up the vegetables. And then when I'm just about ready to put the noodles in, I'm going to reconstitute them with hot water that's been boiling. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the noodles, I have it in a sort of a colander. So I'll just put the noodles in there. And now I'm going to take boiling hot water, and I'm going to pour it over the noodles. And this will reconstitute them. And you definitely don't want to leave this for a while. It's no more than a minute just to get them softened up. And then I'm going to drain these, and I'm going to throw them right into the veggies. Okay, so now I'm going to put the noodles in. There you go. And the other ingredients. So you want to put about a good tablespoon of the chicken broth mix. So about a good tablespoon, maybe 1.5 tablespoons, there we go, of the chicken broth mix. Then the light soy sauce, you want about, you want quite a bit. You want about 1/4 cup of light soy sauce. So don't be shy with the soy sauce. You don't want it swimming in it, but you want a good 1/4 cup. And also oyster sauce. You want probably about a good tablespoon or 2 of the oyster sauce. There we go. We're going to add about 2 nice teaspoonfuls of sugar. We'll give it a good mix, and away we go. I'm going to add just a touch of the dark soy sauce, just to darken it up a bit. There you go. Complaints around here. So here you go, your Chinese plain soft noodles. These are absolutely delicious as a side to a wonderful Asian meal. Or if you want, you can chop up some chicken, fry it up, or some shrimp and throw it in, and it's a meal all on its own. Trust me, I guarantee you like it. Give it a try. Enjoy it.